Hi, I'm excited to be participating in the Sunday Funday hosted by Janny and Dyanne of Deco Easy and Trish and Kay of Crafting Cousins. I love participating in this. It's one of my favorite challenges because we get to do whatever we want to. So please go check out their channels. They'll be listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. A few months ago, I did an unboxing for this Victoriasmoon Diamond Painting Kit. And now I want to show you what it looks like finished and the process it was in finishing it. With my supervisor's supervision, I organize all of my diamond beads. They come labeled with a number that corresponds with the key, and that is what I use. I just go by numerical order so that it's easier to find. I begin by cutting off just a little square that I can work on because it is very sticky. So I just cut it down and just work a little section at a time. I check my key to find the number of what I need to start with, and I find the beads that match that number. And it comes with this little, it's hard to describe, it's like a little waxy thing, and you put your little tool in it so that it'll hold the beads. And I just fill it up on both ends. It's got a wide end where you could pick up more than one bead at a time, and then it's got the little narrow tip that it just shows you where you pick up one bead. And now it's just like cross stitch. You count out however many beads of that color you need, and then you just lay them down. And in fact, it goes a lot faster than cross stitch. And here's the little section I did at the very beginning of my first video, and I'm just going to let you watch as I proceed. It comes with this nice little tray that your beads, they'll fall into the little grooves, and you just kind of shake it, and a lot of them will flip the right size, and it makes it easier to count out. And then it's got the little narrow end that you can pour them just back into your bag and swap out your colors. And like I said earlier, it's like cross stitch, but it's quicker because you can do more than one bead at a time, and you're only having to do it once instead of having to make your cross. And I really enjoyed it, and I wouldn't mind having another one. And now it's finished. I love this picture. It kind of reminds me of Mackenzie Childs in a way. I'm so proud. I love the red. I love everything about it. I hope you like it too. Now I'm just going to measure it for a frame. And it was 9 3/4 by 9 3/4. And there it is. I think it turned out beautiful. I want to thank Victoriasmoon Diamond Painting Kit for asking me to review this and to look at it and to try it out. I highly recommend it. It's very good quality. And I want to thank Janny and Dyanne, Trish and Kay for hosting this challenge. Please check out their channels and check out the playlist. You won't be disappointed. And until next time, bye y'all.